Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DocSend to share tax documents securely with clients. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect DocSend for sharing tax documents securely with clients, first, visit the DocSend website. Log in to your DocSend account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, click on the New Document button. Upload the tax documents you wish to share with your clients. After the upload is complete, you will see a link generated for your document. Customize the document settings by clicking on the settings icon next to the document. Set permissions to control who can view and download the document. Consider enabling password protection for an additional layer of security. You can also set expiration dates for the document link if needed. Once your settings are in place, copy the shareable link provided. Now, open your email client or messaging platform. Paste the link into a new message addressed to your client. Add a brief explanation of the document and any relevant instructions. Send the email or message to your client. Ensure you follow up with your client to confirm they received the link. Remind them to reach out if they have any questions about accessing the document. With these steps, you can securely share tax documents with clients using DocSend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.